you say morning? This is Jackson's old car seat that's going in the yard sale. Well, we're making lunch. Travis just got home. I'm gonna make some lunch, and then Jaxon and I are gonna go join my friend Casey and her kiddos at the high school because they're doing activities today for kids for the end of the summer fest type deal thing. It's just them showing appreciation to the town and that they were able to serve kids lunches over the summer that couldn't afford lunches and stuff like that. So it's a pretty cool program, and they're having activities, and the Darlings ice cream truck is coming, and they're just it's all donations, and they just give out free ice cream, so that's pretty cool. So that's what we're gonna go do today. And then tonight they're doing free hot dogs, a band, and fireworks, so you'll be coming along for that. So let's hope for a great day. See you later. We are on our way to go meet Casey and the kiddos at the school for the activities they're doing for their kids. Jackson's riding in his little buggy. Oops. Say hi, babe. Hi, babies. So yeah, we're gonna go have fun doing that. Hopefully there's some stuff for Jaxon to do. I know he's still pretty little, but I like to get him out and socialize with some other kids. I just think it's good for him that way. So yeah. Woohoo! We'll see you there. Jaxon, are you thoroughly enjoying that pizza after you had ice cream? We came as everybody was leaving. Whoopsie doodles, we kind of missed it. But it said a longer time on the internet.
It said 11:45 to 1.
It wasn't 1 yet, was it?
It's almost 1. I think it's 1 now. It was like 12:38.
17.
It was like 12:38 when I last looked.
Oh, I thought it said like 2 something. No, I was wrong. Per usual. But the fireworks are tonight. Yay, fireworks! I've got to charge my battery before we do this. There is a hornet that's keep flying around. I don't know with what. There it is. Yikes! Where's Grace?
Behind the trash.
Hi, Grace.
Delicious.
What are you doing?
She looks like a drunk rock star.
Oh, you a junkie rock star? My toddler that now toddles. Come on, babe. Come on.
Come up close. Grab it. Okay, climb it.
You making music? My little drummer boy?
Here. Climb up.
Oh my goodness. You making music too?
This one.
Yuck, you're sticking to everything. Look at Tiana, I don't know who the child is. It's Lindsay's little sister. The one in the black. What are you doing? What's that noise?
See ya. Bye.
It's like sunshine.
On a cloudy day. No, you didn't want me. You wanted
High five.
Would you like me to come?
High five. High five. High five. I see that new tooth. High five.
I got like 3 coming in.
We're walking home and he doesn't respond back to me. And now I realize why. Poor guy, he was so tired. Take him in to get a nap now. Whoopsies. I made chicken noodle soup and crescent rolls for dinner tonight in the crock pot, and this little man loves it. He's eaten 2 crescent rolls already. This is his 2nd serving of soup. So, I'm glad. Getting that little boy to eat sometimes is really difficult because obviously everyone knows that a child is going to gravitate towards junk food. So actually getting him to eat something that's nutritious is nice. Do you like it? Yeah! Say yay, mama! Yay! I love you. I love you. Do you want some more? Say bye-bye. See you later at the fireworks. Am I recording? Yep. So we are off to the fireworks. We're going. It's almost 8:30. They have a band playing down there. We figured we'd go catch the tail end of that and enjoy some fireworks. So pretty excited for fireworks. Jaxon loves fireworks.
Yep.
He does. He thinks they're great.
It comes by that, honestly, though. I loved anything like that. Lightning and fireworks.
I did too when I was little.
My parents had to keep me away from the windows. They really did. Because I guess it's bad to be next to a window.
Really?
Yeah.
We had to turn on some like music or something for our dogs. We might have to park at Lindsay's and walk there.
Okay.
Because I know it's going to be packed at the...
I don't think it's going to be that packed, though, babe.
Well, we can drive through, and if it is, we'll just come back and...
Okay.
Yeah. That's what we're going to do today. Is that somebody out when he's right there? Looks like Joey. Maybe. I don't know. So, we are here. We're going to go check out the band that's playing out back. They're called Groove Street. A guy we know named Peter is in it, so we're gonna go check out the band and see if we see anybody we know and then enjoy some fireworks. Should be fun. People are starting to roll in now. Just see. I bet this place will be packed. Where are we off to? I mean, yeah, we can walk up there some more. Can you see, baby? Remember how my old SIM card, you had 20 minutes, and once you ran out of 20 minutes, it starts over a new 20-minute video every time.
Oh, nice.
All done. There's more in there. Jaxon, look, there's more. Oh, you don't want those ones? You like those ones? More! Awesome! Say thanks, Aunt Wendy and Aunt Helen and Lindsay and Uncle Bill.